Hello, my dear shining stars. How are you all? I hope you all are doing really very well. In our today's class, we are going to start our chapter number 3, and the name of this chapter is sentences. First of all, my dear student, we are going to see what is the meaning of sentences. Now, come with me and let's see. A group of words that tells us something is a sentence. Now, what is the meaning of sentence? Sentence are group of words. Okay, the sentences are group of words which tells more about something. Okay, so that is called as sentences. Examples you can see here: words, hence, give, us, x. So these all are words, but when we combine those words, it will convert it into an meaningful sentences, and it sound like this: hence gives us x. Okay, so earlier it was presented in the form of words, but right now it is presented in the form of sentences. Okay, now a sentence begins with a capital letter. Absolutely right, my dear student. It is a mandatory rule that any sentence always starts with capital letter. You can never start a new sentence with small letter. Okay, it is absolutely wrong. Okay, so whenever you are writing a new sentence, always start with capital letter. I hope what is the meaning of capital letter and small letter is clear to you all. Okay, now the examples you can see here: this flower is pretty. See, this sentence, this is a sentence and this is a meaningful sentence, but this is the wrong writing style of sentence. What is wrong in this sentence? Here, this means this sentence is starting with small letter. That's why this is wrong. Now, this flower is pretty. This is the correct way of writing any sentence. Similarly, here you can see Thomas has a pet cat. It is absolutely right sentence, but not a right way of writing a sentence. How we are going to write it? Thomas has a pet cat, starting with capital letter. Similarly, now see, a sentence that tells something needs a period, full stop at the end. Okay, okay. So sentence always starts with capital letter. Okay, and when sentence ends, we have to put a punctuation mark of full stop. So we have to always add punctuation mark called as full stop. Example you can see: my name is Bruno. I have 4 legs. Okay, see. My name is Bruno. I have 4 legs. Full stop. Now, a sentence should make sense. And always remember, my dear students, sentence always make a sense. Never make illogical sentences. Example, you can see, a deer can fly. This is a sentence, but it is a meaningful sentence. No, absolutely wrong. Deer can't fly. Okay? A bird can fly. Yes, this is a meaningful sentence. Okay? Similarly, a cow gives us milk. Absolutely right. And this is also a meaningful sentence. A cow gives us eggs. Absolutely wrong. Okay? Now, the words in a sentence must be in right order. And always remember, whenever you are writing any sentence, or you have to put the words according to their suitability and according to their right order. Okay, you can't put jumbled words in a sentence. No. If egg, I'm giving just an example, if egg comes at third place in a sentence, then it is mandatory that you have to write egg in third place in a sentence. Then only it can make a meaningful sentence. Example you can see, computer is this. This is also a sentence, but this is correct sentence? No, this is absolutely wrong, because here words are not put in together on their right spots. The correct sentence is, this is a computer. Yes, this is a correct sentence. Now, a sentence has 2 parts. It names something, it tells us what is happening. And my dear student, a sentence is divided into 2 parts. First part always tells us, means first part always give a name to something, and the second portion always tells us that what is going to happen in the sentence. Example you can see, the elephant is very heavy. See, the elephant is very heavy. Okay, so this sentence is divided into 2 parts. The first part is the elephant. It is telling us about it is telling us about it is giving a name to something. Okay, here elephant. Okay, elephant, a name is given to a animal. So the elephant, this is the first part of the sentence, is very large. This is the second part of the sentence. Okay, now the second example, the chair has four legs. The chair, it names something, it names thing. Okay, so this is the first part of a sentence, and has four legs, it is telling us about something, so it has the second part of the sentence. Okay, a sentence has a whole thought. Okay, and by writing a sentence we are delivering our complete thought through that sentence. Example, you can see, this is not a sentence, this is a sentence. So the dog hits the ball, runs fast, Rosie is. So the dog, incomplete sentence, hits the ball, it is also incomplete sentence. Runs fast, Rosie is, both two sentences are incomplete. So this type of sentences are considered as incomplete sentences. Now, what type of sentences are considered as complete sentence? Let's see. See, this one. The dog barks. Okay, this is a complete sentence because the dog really barks. Rahul hits the ball. Absolutely correct sentence. He runs fast. Correct. Rosie is happy. Okay, so in this way, my dear student, we have seen about the sentences. Now we are going to complete the exercise based on this sentences. Now come with me. Let's see the activity sheet number 6. Here what we have to do, A, read this group of words, tick the sentences. Now what we have to do, here some group of words are written, okay, but we have to tick only on that box, okay, only upon that box which is giving a meaningful sentences. Like the first one, I am, it is wrong, it is not a sentence. The second one, I am a forest, no, this is not a, yeah, this is also not a sentence. I a large, it is also not a sentence. I can fast, no. Okay, so all these are a incomplete sentence. Now what are then complete sentences? See, I am a lion, yes, this is complete sentence. I am the king of the jungle, also a complete sentence. I am large and strong, also a complete sentence. Large head, no, this is not a complete sentence. Okay, now B1, match the words in column A and B to form complete sentences. Here, my dear student, in column A and in column B, words are given. Okay, now you have to match column A with column B to form a meaningful sentence. First one is, I like to smell the flower. I watch TV in the morning. The flower in the garden are pretty. The book has a blue cover. The week has 7 days. Vidhi is singing a song. Okay, now come with me and let's complete the exercise sheet number 7. Here what we have to do, A, choose the correct word from the box to complete each sentences. Okay, my dear student, here some lines are given. You have to choose, you have to complete them with the help of the words given in the blank, given in the box. First one is, this is an, what is the name of this animal? Elephant. So this is an elephant. It has a long tail or trunk. Trunk. Okay. Similarly, 2-1 you have to complete. Now B, complete the sentences choosing the correct word from the brackets. Here, my dear student, many words are given in the bracket. You have to choose the correct word from this bracket and fill in the blanks. First one is done for our help. My pet is a cat. The cat is on the fat mat pet. The cat is on the mat. I go to school by bus, rus, thus, bus. Similarly, 4th and 5th you have to complete. Okay, my dear student, in this way we also completed our chapter number 3. Okay, now my dear student, what you have to do, just go thoroughly through this chapter number 3 and try to complete all the exercise which I have given you as your homework. Okay, now I'm taking leave and going to meet with you all in our next class with a new chapter. Till then, my dear students, you have to take very good care of yourself and also keep a broad smile on your face. Bye.